Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is what's jumping in my pot today. Tomato-Lentil Ratatouille. Let's get to it. Now, this is the first thing we do. I have a heavy cast iron Dutch oven pot here. I'm going to turn it on medium high. I'm going to add some oil to the pot. And I let it heat up a bit. I have in here the eggplant and the zucchini. We're going to add that to the pot. Stir it up a bit. And we're going to let this saute up for about 5 to 7 minutes or until it browns up a bit.
Those vegetables look vibrant and alive. They look really, really good.
Yes, now we're going to add the onions.
This is also another budget dish, and it's easy.
And red bell peppers.
And it's very healthy.
Yes, this is a healthy dish I'm doing today. Now we're going to let this saute up for about 3 minutes. Now we're going to add the minced garlic. We're going to stir this up and let this cook for about 1 minute. Now we're going to add the tomato paste.
So this is a fully vegetarian dish. You could eat it as a side dish or as a main dish. And all of these vegetables that are being cooked right now are usually the base for any ratatouille. But this one's a little bit different because we're adding lentils to it. So you'll see as the recipe progresses. And to get the ingredients for this recipe, please look in the description box below and also like, share, comment, subscribe, and thanks again.
Now we're going to cook this for another 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add some black pepper and salt. Added the plum diced tomatoes, and we give this a stir. And now I'm going to add the vegetable broth. I have unsalted vegetable broth here. We give this a stir. I'm going to add some basil, fresh basil. I'm using dried oregano. You can use fresh if you like. And then we're going to add the lentils.
This dish is going by pretty quickly.
Now, this is pre-cooked lentils. I cooked them already, and then we're going to add them to the dish.
Yeah, that looks good. And also, this is so quick, like you said earlier. This is really, really quick. This is something you can make.
This is really a French dish, ratatouille.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
It's like the Disney cartoon movie. You remember that movie, Ratatouille?
Oh, yeah. Now we're going to let this here cook for about 5 minutes. Then we'll serve it up. Now let's check and see if it's ready to serve up.
It's like it's coming together pretty well.
I think it's time to serve it up. It's all served up. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And I will see you soon with another video. Oh, yes, and check out some of my older videos in the screen below and hit that like button. Bye. See you soon.